In our last video, we want to focus in on a combination of moves into our shot. This is where we bring all of the moves that we've covered in the series of shooting off the dribble and bring them all into one action as we go into our shot. I want to focus in on our combination moves. Combination moves is a series of 2 or more moves for the offensive player to find an advantage. As you'll see, we have 3 cones which will be set up for our players. Each player will accelerate toward a cone, decelerate, and go into a combination move, and then into a jump shot. The first move will be accelerate, decelerate, hard in and out to move our defender toward one side, and then crossover to attack their second side. Accelerate, decelerate, in and out, cross, pull up into a jump shot. The second combination move will be accelerate, decelerate. Now that player will put the ball between their legs, cross over in front, and now they will attack the second cone and step back into their jump shot. And lastly, we will have the combination move of what we call a chop-chop here at the Academy. Kid will accelerate, decelerate, chop, chop, and then go into a slide dribble and then look to attack their opponent out of that. This concludes our video series on shooting off the dribble. There's been a lot of information shared in this series. It is now your job to take each part of this, break it down, and practice it every single day.